for 5 years. If price falls, so then no stop loss, 5% down, 10% down, no. I've done my proper research and I've invested. Gradually what will happen, there have been many experiences. People can also say, hey, you bought, price fell, you sold, then price again went up and up and up. So then you thought like, in case I would not have sold, so then I would have made X amount of money. What is mistake is you don't have an innovative, independent design thinking as far as investments goes. You got to understand Mr. Market and margin of safety. Explaining the concept of Mr. Market, Warren Buffett says, we can all visualize, like Mr. Market is a person when stock market is doing very well. So at that point of time, Mr. Market does not want you to have the shares, because then what he thinks, okay, whatever gains will happen, you will take it. So therefore, he tries to place a price which is very high. Therefore, what we find, the stock market price goes to very high levels. Also, what I am of the view is, people who are very pessimistic regarding market, for them like stock market is no. History has revealed. They always enter at the end of the bull run, and when they enter, they are double optimistic. They don't look at valuations and then they invest. Then they have an ability to take the stock market at very unreasonable valuations, which in turn means they do not want you to have their shares, so therefore they'll put the price high, so then again index or the price of the company would go up. Why? Because they are optimistic. But Mr. Market behaves other way also. When they are pessimistic, so then they'll believe what? Everything is gone, market will fall, 14,000, 10,000. So they don't want to remain with the shares. And they would like to pass on the shares to you. Now so that the losses which they are going to bear, you should bear it. So when they are pessimistic, so then again what they do? They will offer you shares at very low valuations. Now that's the price, or that's the time when you should swing. That's the time when you should invest within your circle of competence of the companies which you understand. And there's a concept called as margin of safety that we have explained. A stock, according to you, is of value 100, but is available in market at 80. He says, I'll not buy. What is the margin of safety? I should look at the value of the stock as what? 100. And it should be available to me at what? 40. Then I'll buy. Even after buying that, suppose it still falls, so then I'll continue to hold. It falls further, so then I'll continue to buy. That is what is the concept of what? Margin of safety. You should not buy the stock at a price near to the value. You should buy the stock at a price which is substantially lower than the value. You got to be fearful when others are greedy, and you got to be greedy when others are fearful. This is a contrarian view, but this is not mindless contrarian view. I'll be greedy, I'll accumulate stocks when others are fearful, because now there is a margin of safety. But what I'll always try to do, I'll still invest in the business which I understand. I'll still invest in the management which I think is honest. I'll still invest in the companies which have performed well in the past, and their products and services will be still in demand in future. You got to read some more, and then you got to think. I was attending one seminar called as Leaders in Management Education at Wellington College. The question which was asked by one of the speakers, okay, can you define what do you mean by literate? People gave different answers. Finally he said, in 21st century, the person who would be literate would be the person who can unlearn, then he can learn, then he can relearn. Suppose you have that ability, then and then only you will be successful. But when we say read some more and then think, you got to also know, okay, what to read. Things which are very uncertain, macro events. If you focus your efforts in those areas, will not help in investment decisions. But suppose you are able to focus on the business, the company, and you read everything regarding that particular